दोस्तों आज हम SOF 2025-26 क्लास 4 क्वेश्चन पेपर सेट ए करने वाले हैं। तो दोस्तों हमारा पहला सेक्शन है लॉजिकल रीजनिंग। उसमें टोटल 5 क्वेश्चन आते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट मिरर इमेज ऑफ द गिवन फिगर। सो इसका मिरर इमेज ढूंढेंगे तो ऑप्शन डी ऐसा कुछ मिरर इमेज आएगा। Question 2. Find the missing number if the certain rule is followed either row wise or column wise. So अगर ये आप देख लो इसका तो फिर ऑप्शन बी 4 में मिसिंग नंबर आएगा। Question 3. Which of the following words cannot be formed from the letters of the given word? Paint brush से bring नहीं बनता. So option C is the right answer. Question 4. Which of the following is the minimum number of squares that must be added so that the line M and N become the line of symmetry? Option C, 4 squares must be added is the right answer. Question 5. Select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the given figure as one of its parts. So option A ऐसा कुछ पार्ट होगा इसमें। तो हमारा सेकेंड सेक्शन है साइंस। सो उसमें 6 to 30 क्वेश्चन आते हैं। 6 question. Plants growing in hilly areas have sloping shape too. Let rainfall and slide off easily. Option C is the right answer. Question 7. Which of the following options contains only natural fibers? Option C, cotton, jute and wool is the right answer. Question 8. Refer to the given diagram of a bird's egg and identify which part develops into a chick. Z एक एम्ब्रॉय है तो वो चिक में डेवलप होगा। 9. Match the columns and select the correct option. Puffer fish, अगर आप इन सबको मैच कर दोगे तो फिर ऑप्शन डी A3, B4, C2, D1 is the right answer. 10. Select the option that correctly fills the blank to complete the given analogy. Vitamin C is curvy, vitamin B berry, B option is the right answer. Question 11. Starting from the first letter, strike out every alternate letter in the given box to obtain the name of an item commonly found in the first aid box. Option A, it is used to measure body temperature is the right answer. और इससे थर्मोमीटर बनता है। 12. Two similar plants X and Y were taken and the leaves of plant Y were covered with petroleum jelly, while the leaves of plant X were untouched. Both of the plants were covered by transparent plastic bags. The result of the experiment is shown in the given figure. What does this experiment show? Option C, leaves release water vapor through stomata during transpiration is the right answer. Question 13. Select the odd one out and the basis of states of matter. Option D, water is the right answer. Question 14. Select the option that an unscrambling gives the name of the process that is used to separate liquid from a solid. Option D, distillation is the right answer. Question 15. Refer to the given Venn diagram and select the option that correctly identifies X. Option D, iron is the right answer. Question 16. Read the given statements and select the option that correctly identifies true and false ones. 1. Molecules of different substances are always identical. False. 2. Mass is the amount of matter present in an object. True. A mixture of oil and water is miscible. False. A solution is a heterogeneous mixture. True. Option C is the right answer. Question 17. Which of the following items will take the longest time to get decomposed? Option B, plastic straw is the right answer. Newton. Which of the following forms of energy is most likely possessed by boiled eggs in the given picture? Option A, potential energy is the right answer. Question 19. Look at the given diagram showing the Earth, Moon and Sun in different positions. Which phase of the Moon will be observed from Earth when the Moon is in the position shown? Option B, new moon is the right answer. Question 20. Which of the following is an example of wedge? Option A, fork is the right answer. Question 21. Unscramble the letters given in the box to get the name of a planet and select the correct statement regarding it. Option B, it is the second largest planet in our solar system, is the right answer. Question 22. Refer to the given figure and select the correct statement regarding plants X, Y, and Z. Option D. Plant Y is an underwater plant and its roots are fixed in the soil at the bottom of the water body. Option D is the right answer. Question 23. Roughage helps in proper functioning of the digestive system. Option B is the right answer. Question 24. Read the given riddle and answer the question that follows. I hatch from an egg, but I don't yet fly. No wings on me as I crawl nearby. I look like my parent, but smaller in size. I shed my skin about 13 times before I arise. Option C, 9 is the right answer. Question 25. Select the correct match. Option B, canine used for tearing food is the right answer. Question 26. Saliva is important in digestion because it changes starch into simple sugars. Option B is the right answer. Question 27. In case of a minor burn, we should, option C, wash the burnt area with cool running water is the right answer. Question 28. Arjun is blowing up balloons for his sister's birthday. What would be the arrangement of matter that fills the inflated balloon? Option C, ऐसा कुछ molecules होंगे is the right answer. Question 29. The given figure represents interconversation between three states of matter. Select the correct statement regarding it. Option D, Q could be freezing whereas S could be condensation is the right answer. 30. Which is the Hindi name of the smallest planet P, red planet Q, and the third largest planet R of our solar system? ऑप्शन बी बुध, मंगल एंड अरुण इज द राइट आंसर. हमारा नेक्स्ट सेक्शन है अचीवर सेक्शन. उसमें 5 क्वेश्चन होते हैं और एक क्वेश्चन के 2 मार्क होते हैं. क्वेश्चन 31. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर करेक्ट रिगार्डिंग द 2 फोर्सेस गिवन इन द बॉक्स? सो इन सब स्टेटमेंट्स को पढ़कर ऑप्शन ए 1, 2 एंड 4 ओनली आर द करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट्स. क्वेश्चन 32. रिफर टू द गिवन वर्ड ग्रिड एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. तो ये दोनों में पूछ रहे बायोडिग्रेडेबल और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल मटेरियल्स के बारे में. सो ऑप्शन ए बायोडिग्रेडेबल 4 है और नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल 3 है. और सो ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. रिफर टू द गिवन टेबल एंड सिलेक्ट द ऑप्शन दैट करेक्टली आइडेंटिफाइज planets P, Q, R and S. ऑप्शन ए यूरेनस, Venus, Mercury and Neptune is the right answer. Question 34. Read the given information regarding planets X, Y and Z. Plants X, Y and Z. Plant X found in marshes with waterlogged soil. Plant Y grows in soil that is poor in nitrogen. Plant Z lacks chlorophyll. Option A, plant X develops roots that grow out of the waterlogged soil to breathe air. Option A is the right answer. Question 35. Unscramble the letters given in column 1 and match them with their correct description in column 2 and select the correct option from the given quotes. So इन सब को unscramble करके ऐसे मैच करेंगे तो ऑप्शन डी A3, B4, C2, D1 is the right answer.